Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know that transferring assets like USDT can sometimes feel tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Today, we're focusing on how to transfer USDT from your Web3 wallet to Bybit in 2025. This process is straightforward once you know the ropes, and it'll help you manage your funds more efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Web3 wallet set up, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and that you actually have some USDT in it. Double-check the network your USDT is on. Bybit supports options like TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20, so matching these is crucial to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Web3 wallet app or extension and navigate to your USDT balance. Take a moment to confirm the exact amount you want to transfer and note the network it's using. Step 2. Head over to your Bybit account. Log in securely, then go to the Deposit section. This is usually found in the Wallet or Assets area of the platform. Step 3. In Bybit, select USDT as the asset you want to deposit. Make sure to choose the same network that your USDT is on in your wallet. For example, if it's on TRC20, pick that option here. Once selected, you'll see a unique deposit address. Copy this carefully to your clipboard. Step 4. Go back to your Web3 wallet and initiate the transfer. Paste the Bybit deposit address into the T field, enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and review all the details. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so triple-check everything. Step 5. Hit confirm on your wallet to send the transaction. You'll need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric verification. Now, sit tight. The transfer time can vary from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, log back into Bybit and check your balance to ensure the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and maybe refresh the page. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer USDT from your Web3 wallet to Bybit in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets if possible and never share your private keys. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and stay savvy out there.